Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So now we are moving forward with the structural modeling. I have set up the grid already as you seen in last model, and I have also added levels. Let's start with the modeling. Okay, so I will start with the 300 by 300 concrete columns. uh, we'll go to the structural tab. Here I would not recommend to use architecture column because moving forward we need to add reinforcement in the column. So I'm sticking for the best practices we need to use this structural column. You can see the shortcut they have mentioned CL. So we'll start with this. I am looking for the concrete column, so I'll use this. We were looking for the 300 by 300. I'll duplicate it. I will give this column a name called C1. I'll explain you about this. The dimension would be 300 by 300. It's okay. And just click over here. Okay, so you'll see there is a warning called none of the created elements are visible in finish floor view. You may want to check the active view, its parameter and visibility settings as any plan regions and other settings. So I think this is something related the view range which we have seen last of our video. If you haven't seen, please see the view range uh, videos from my channel. I'll try to go it in the ground level, and you see my column is over there. But if you see the columns base level is automatically selected by Revit, which is ground level, and the top level is finish floor level, which is this level. And because of the view range, we cannot see the column in finish floor. So I'll go to the ground level and I'll select the bottom level to the footing, top of footing, and top level I would select to the roof level. You can see now, go to the over here, yeah, you can see now. Okay, now I need this column to see to A2 grid, A5 grid and A6 grid, or also at B1, B2, B5 and B6, and this C5 and C6 as well. So I need that column to A2, A5, A6, all the B1, B2, B5, B6, and C5 and C6. So either you can copy this, or you can have create similar and place it to the, again it will change the setting of your uh, columns top bottom level. So I'll just select this from this cross window and change the top and bottom again. And now for the C5 and C6 you simply select both of them and copy this over here. Make sure whenever you are copying the snapping would be correct. This column should be at the center of the grid. You can check with over here C5 and C6. Moving for D3 and D4 as well as E3 and E4. Moving forward to the D3 and D4 and E3 and E4. So here we are using another column. So we'll have, you can click on this, create similar, and then duplicate you can go by like this, or just go to the column, edit type, duplicate, mention it to the C2, which is 350 by 350, and that is for E3, E3 and E4. So we can see this because I am in the ground level. If we click on the finish floor level, you can't see this because of the level connections. So I'll make it like roof level over for the top level, and for the ground level fitting top, and make sure this should be a 0. Top offset and base offset while you selecting the base level and top level. The another column I would like to have, that is C3, which is 250 and 350, and would like to have this in C D3 and D4. Again, the roof level 0 and the footing top. So we had done with the columns now, I guess. So these are the columns. If you wanted to put a tags over there, you can put it, or there is a shortcut to add a tags, tag all or tag by category. I'll use this. Even the multi-category tag would be used, but I will use tag all, and you have to just select the the elements or categories which you wanted to tag. So here I would like to select structural column tags, and I have a by default family for structural tag. I don't want to change it right now. I'll show you how to create a structural column tag in Revit annotations video. Do you want a leader, or you can give the leader length? Right now I don't want a leader, and tag orientation I will keep horizontal. I'll just apply and OK. If you see over here, the problem of this tag is it comes exactly center of the uh, column. You can just select all instance visible in view and move for the time being or somewhere.